What if I told you this lifted 1978 Ford F-250 isn't just a classic truck? It's a $169,900 big block monster built to dominate both the show floor and the trail. Let's fire it up! 1978 was an era when pickup trucks were built with one mission: to work hard and never quit. But every once in a while, a truck comes along that completely rewrites that legacy. What you're looking at today isn't just another classic Ford pickup. This is a professionally built 1978 Ford F-250 4x4 pickup, transformed into an incredible showpiece and off-road beast, carrying a price tag of $169,900. From its towering lifted stance to its thunderous 460 cubic inch V8, every inch of this truck has been engineered to command attention. The first thing that grabs your eyes is the stunning red paint finish. It shines with a deep mirror-like gloss that perfectly complements the truck's bold square body styling. The iconic Ranger badging proudly reminds everyone of Ford's legendary truck heritage, while upgraded lighting gives this classic pickup a modern edge. Heavy-duty aftermarket bumpers add rugged functionality, making it look equally at home cruising through town or climbing rocky mountain trails. Its towering suspension is impossible to ignore. Up front sits an incredible 9-inch lift, while the rear rides on an 8-inch lift, creating an aggressive stance that transforms this F-250 into an unmistakable giant. The increased ground clearance doesn't just improve looks, it prepares this truck for serious off-road adventures where ordinary pickups simply cannot compete. But the real masterpiece begins under the hood. Power comes from Ford's legendary 460 cubic inch V8, one of the most respected big block engines ever installed in a pickup truck. This isn't a stock engine by any means. It's been bored 0.40 inches over, increasing displacement and maximizing performance. High-strength ARP fasteners help hold everything together under demanding conditions, ensuring reliability when every bit of horsepower is unleashed. Adding to its aggressive personality is the legendary Big Daddy Rattler camshaft. The moment this engine fires to life, the cam announces itself with an unmistakable lopey idle that sends chills down the spine of every muscle truck enthusiast. It's the kind of sound that instantly attracts attention long before the truck even appears. Supporting that camshaft is a premium Howard's racing roller valvetrain assembly, allowing the engine to breathe efficiently while maintaining durability at higher RPMs. Sitting proudly on top is a stealth aluminum intake manifold, feeding cool air directly into a massive Holley Brawler 850 CFM 4-barrel carburetor. Together, these components allow the giant 460 to inhale massive amounts of air and fuel, producing explosive acceleration and relentless torque. Backing up all that big block power is Ford's legendary C6 automatic transmission. Widely regarded as one of the strongest automatic transmissions Ford ever produced, the C6 has earned its reputation by surviving decades behind powerful V8 engines. Smooth shifting and unmatched durability make it the perfect companion for this high-performance build. Power reaches the ground through one of the toughest axle combinations available. Massive Dana 60 front and rear axles provide incredible strength for oversized tires and demanding terrain. Up front, 488/1 Trac-Lok gearing maximizes traction while maintaining excellent control. At the rear, a Detroit locker combined with matching 4.88 gears ensures both rear wheels deliver power whenever traction becomes limited. Whether crawling over rocks, blasting through mud, or climbing steep hills, this drivetrain is designed to conquer it all. Handling a lifted truck of this size requires serious engineering, and that's exactly what this build delivers. The upgraded Barnes 4WD crossover steering system dramatically improves steering geometry while reducing bump steer. Combined with factory power steering, the truck remains surprisingly manageable despite its enormous suspension lift. Keeping the rear axle planted during hard acceleration are custom-built traction bars. These eliminate unwanted axle wrap, allowing the suspension to work efficiently while improving durability under heavy loads and high torque. Even underneath, this F-250 showcases craftsmanship that rivals many show cars. The frame has been professionally powder-coated for long-lasting protection and a flawless appearance. A custom-modified crossmember strengthens the chassis, while the entire floor has been treated with durable black undercoating to resist corrosion and road damage. New hardware throughout the chassis highlights the meticulous attention given during assembly. Then there's the sound. Dual Borla exhaust systems unleash the unmistakable roar of the built 460 V8. At idle, the engine produces a deep, rhythmic rumble. Press the throttle, and the exhaust transforms into a thunderous soundtrack that perfectly matches the truck's intimidating appearance. It's a sound that every classic truck enthusiast dreams of hearing. Step inside, and the cabin balances vintage simplicity with functional upgrades. The black interior remains faithful to the truck's original character, featuring a comfortable bench seat, black carpeting, full door panels, and the factory steering wheel. Stock gauges preserve the classic look, while additional auxiliary gauges provide accurate monitoring of the truck's enhanced mechanical systems. The traditional column-mounted shifter completes the authentic driving experience. What makes this truck truly special is how seamlessly everything comes together. It isn't simply a restored classic, nor is it only an off-road machine. It's a carefully engineered fusion of vintage Ford styling, professional craftsmanship, modern performance upgrades, and uncompromising capability. The towering stance, gleaming red paint, legendary big block engine, bulletproof drivetrain, premium suspension components, and beautifully detailed undercarriage all combine to create one unforgettable pickup. Every modification serves a purpose, whether improving performance, durability, appearance, or reliability. With an asking price of $169,900, this 1978 Ford F-250 4x4 pickup represents far more than transportation. It is a collector-grade custom build that celebrates one of Ford's greatest truck platforms while elevating it to an entirely new level. It's equally capable of winning trophies at prestigious truck shows, turning heads at local cruise nights, or tackling the toughest off-road trails with confidence. This isn't just a truck. It is rolling American muscle, handcrafted engineering, and timeless Ford heritage wrapped into one unforgettable machine. Every rumble of its 460 V8, every inch of its lifted stance, and every polished detail tells a story of power, passion, and craftsmanship. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this extraordinary 1978 Ford F-250 stands as proof that some legends don't just survive the decades, they grow stronger with every mile.